Hello, it's again Modi Tal, and in this clip I want to show you another way to promote the program, which is I'm talking in this session. I will be talking about promoting in social networks or social media. So when we say social media, we usually mean about we talk about Facebook, but in the end of this session, I will show you also other means to promoting social media. So, if you hear the last video, you would know how to start promoting the program. What I've taught you so far is look for tourist attractions and find their contact page, contact them with the email template, and after you contact them with the email template, you need to add their business to the Excel sheet, and every week or every 2 weeks or every month you need to send me the email template, the Excel sheet, and we will check if you have sales. And if you have sales, we give you the commission. So you already know the commission we are offering. There are two options. The first option is getting per sign up, which is 50, not 15, it's $50 per every tourist attraction you bring us. And you can also select, I will recommend 20%. For example, if some tourist attraction has a budget of 1,000, you will get 200 rather than just $50. So I will recommend the 20%. And another thing I will show also in this video is how to refer other agents and get 15%. Okay, so let's start and show you how to work in Facebook. And I need a little different approach than the one I've taught you before. If you remember the approach I've taught you before, you needed to go to Facebook or Google, and then let's say I'm Facebook, and then you would have what you would do is search for a Prague hotel and click on Prague hotel, and you go to the Facebook page, and what you used to do is go to the Facebook page, click on send message, and send the email template. But in this session, I will teach you another option, how to even a better way using the social media, which is mostly Facebook. Okay, so I encourage you to join the group. The group is touristcash.com. If you don't find the group, let me know. But you can also find it. You can also find it below the video. Let me see. Let me see the previous video. Okay, this is the previous video. But if you will also in this video, if you will scroll down below the video, I pressed show more, and all the links will be under the video. So I will put a link to the Facebook group that you should join. The reason you should join the group is because here you can also, one thing, you can also discuss with other agents, or give like discuss or exchange ideas and everything. If you need to discuss with someone which is agent, or you can also send us. We are also reading this group, so you can send us. So as you can see, I put in in the group. The group is touristcash.com travel agent group. So you can search for. If you are in the video, you can stop the video for a moment and search for touristcash.com travel agent group, and then join. And as you can see, the last announcement I've posted in. Actually, it's the day before yesterday. It's 28th of October 2018. So, okay, as you can see, we have updates here. I will update you everything, but in this session, I will teach you how to use Facebook and other social media to find tourist attraction, rather than just searching in Google or Facebook for Facebook pages. This time, I will show you how to promote in Facebook groups or in other social networks, but mostly in Facebook groups. As you know, there are millions of Facebook groups. All you need to do is find a group where you can find some tourist attraction owners or some connections and other people who can become our clients. So you probably know the template I made. You have a link to the regular template. So if you click on the link, this is the regular email template that you also have received in your email when you were approved. So this is a copy of the template. But as you can see, this template is a very long one because it has all the information about campaign and video and project video and link to the site and link to the sign-up page, create campaign page, link for coupon code. So it's not the regular email template is not suitable to join in your Facebook post because it's too long. So what I have done, I have created a short email template. The short version is much better if you want to send it to Facebook groups. I will soon show you which group you should join and send this template. But this is a link for the short template. Okay, so you can also find this link in the Facebook group under last announcement. And another way, you can find the link to the short template below this video, in the links below this video. So I assume that you have the template. Let me show you. This is, yes, you can see, this is an announcement of my Facebook group. And I will click on the short template. And this is much better template if you want to send it in a social media, like Facebook groups. So this is a very short template. Of course, if some customer or some tourist attraction would see this post and then he wants more information, you can always send him the long template. But this template is short in order to post in some groups, because you don't want to post the long version on every Facebook group. It's not suitable. You can be banned for spamming. It's much better to use the small version or in a social media like Facebook. So I will now show you where you can promote with the short template. Again, if you need the link, it's also in the announcement in the group social. We use some new short template in social network. The new short template this is a link. All you have to do is click on the link, and this is a long version. I will click on the short version, and we reach the short version. All you need to do is copy and paste. Copy, Control A, Control C, and Control V when we want to paste this template to the Facebook groups. Now this is much better approach because you can do a lot of work in very short time. For example, there are groups who have thousands and thousands of members. So you just need to find the right group, and you can find some. Hopefully, I hope you can find some owners or some like hotel owners or owners of every other tourist attraction. It could be. I will go through all the possibilities, but I will start with hotels. So, okay, so you already have the short template. Now all you need to do is find the groups in Facebook which there is a big probability that some tourist attraction owners will read the message, and they will contact you, and you can, after they contact you, you can continue and send them the long email template, and then they can create a campaign, and you need to add the name to the Excel sheet. So instead of what you have done so far, that you have to chase after the template, after the two instruction, here you just post in the groups and they will chase you. Instead of you have to go to each go to Google and find for hotels, find car rental, find cruises, find nightclub, find restaurant. You go to restaurant group or hotel group. I will show you just a minute, and you post a post with the short template. Short template is here, short.touristlist.com. So I will send you also a copy. I will send you an email with after I finish recording this video. I will send you also a message with all the updates and with the short email template. The short email template you should use when you post in Facebook groups, rather than the long version, which you need to send to like Facebook pages and the sites of tourist attraction. So let's start. I don't want to talk too much. Okay, so as you can see, I have searched for hotels. Now, actually, you can go to Facebook, search for hotels jobs maybe, no, and instead of going to the post for the Facebook pages, you need to go to the groups from the menu, and as you can see, you have many groups dedicated to hotels. So all you have to do is go to Facebook, search for a group about hotels or restaurants, and let's click. And all you have to do, you don't have to contact one by one hotel every time one hotel. You can send it Facebook group and get in one post. You will get to. It depends how many members. I think this group has 25,000 members. I think. Let's see. Yes, this group has 84 members. So in one post, you reach 50,000. This is much better. Not better, but it's another approach. Instead of just going hotel after hotel, you write one time in the group, and 50,000 people get the post in 1 second. So what do I need to do? Let's go to the short template. This is a short template. Don't be confused with the long template, because you don't want to send the long template to the Facebook groups. You can see in the title, Tourist Cash Short Email Template. By the way, you cannot edit this document. You can only view or copy stuff, copy from here and paste it in the Facebook groups. This is I don't give you the permission. This is only read-only page. So again, I'm doing Control A and select all, or you can select all. You have edit menu. Select all. Okay, now if you want to save this file, let's say you want to save this file to your computer, you need to, very simple. You need to press the menu File, then you go to Download As, and you can save it in save this document if you wanted to save it locally on your local hard disk, your local computer. You can save it as a Microsoft Word file, open document, rich text format, RTF, and PDF. So you can save this file if you want, but you don't have to, because it's on the internet. All you have to do is go to the group and find the link to the template. I will also send you the link. So all you have to do is edit, select all, edit, and copy. Very, very simple. And I'm now in the hotel, which has 51,000 members. So I will post one time, and it could reach many people. Okay, so I've posted the email template and post. Okay, this group is I need approval, but after they will approve me, people in this group could actually after they approve, they will see the message, the post. As you can see in the last sentence in the post, we ask, please send me info about your tourist attraction, and you would receive an application. Okay, so this group is hotel jobs. Now, I found another group which is even nicer, even better. It's a hotel management. Now, why is it so good? The reason it's so good because if you search Facebook hotel management, this group it has very big chance to the owners of the hotel to see your message, because usually management is about hotel management job. It calls it's called hotel management job opening worldwide. So there is a good chance. And again, copy paste the short template and post. Let's see if this time. No, again, we need to approve. So this is example of a hotel. Now, as you know, we are working not just with hotel. As you can see here, tourist ads. We work with varied attractions. This could be hotels to restaurant, nightclubs to spa, famous icon attraction to even car rental, and even cruises. So let's say I want to reach the restaurants, and again I need to send them the short template. Just need to find a group. I was looking for okay, in Facebook I looked for restaurants, and I already sent some requests. Okay, this one I already been approved. So again, you go to the short template, short email template, you copy, okay, and you paste. This is a short template. Let's post. I hope this time they will post. Yes. Okay, so this is example how your post would look. Okay, again, would look like. Again, this is the short template and not the long template. So just make sure you are not confused. This is a short template and this is a long template. So in your Facebook groups, you need to post the short template, because if you would post the long template, it will be very, very long post and people will ban you, because it's can be not it's not looking good because it's too long. So this is a short template. And what can happen now is that, let's say I have a restaurant and I read this post and I want more information. So you write in the last sentence, please send me your info, and you will receive. So let's say some tourist attraction, some restaurant comment, and write I would need more info. So all you have to do, let's say somebody posts this wants info. All you have to do is add him as your friend. This time it's myself, and or you can reply here and copy and paste and send him. If some restaurant owner have an interest, all you have to do is take his email and send him the long email template. And don't forget, after you send him the long email template, don't forget to add him to the Excel sheet. So this is a great way, because this way the tourist attraction can reach you instead of you reaching the every tourist attraction. Let's say if you want to be, if you are too lazy to go one by one, you can also go in groups, and in one group you have posts for 50,000. So this is a better way if you are a bit lazy, or if you want to use the social media in order to promote the program. And for every, it doesn't matter if you find their Facebook page or find him with a Facebook group, you will still get the same commission. Okay, let's make it faster. Another tourist attraction we might work with is nightclubs. There are some nightclubs that are looking for tourists, so it can be a great place to post the short email template. Okay, in this case I'm pending. They have yet didn't approve me already, but when they approve me, all I need to do is copy and paste the email template and post, and people will come to you. They will hopefully, I think they will send you a reply, and then you can send them more information with the long and regular email template. Okay, so this nightclub. Another thing is we are working with another tourist attraction is of course spa. Okay, so this for example this you can search. I did a search in Facebook. You can again you can be creative. You need to come up with creative ideas how to where to look in which groups. Okay, so in this example, this is a nice group. It's a bit small. Okay, but okay. European dialogue through spa tourism. So this is another group that you can post, and again they will come to you if they see the message, see the post, and they are interested in advertising or they are interested in more information. They will reply, and you will send them the long email template. Okay, another options I search here for tourist attraction, and there are some groups. This one 3,500 members. This is almost 2,000. This is 5. So in one post you get to all these people instead of just going one by one. It could be a better approach, but I would suggest that you do both approaches. Also go one by one, hotel by hotel, and also work in Facebook groups, social media. So, for example, there is a nice group. This group is called New York City Tourist Attraction. So this is a great place to post the short template. Again, it's still pending. Okay, another group, another option. As you know, we are working also with car rental. Again, all you need to do, search for car rental, and from the menu, what you used to do until now, you used to go to pages and send each of them the message. But this is a very different approach. This time, I will go to instead of the pages, I will go to groups, and in each group, I will post the short templates. For example, in New York City, this is a great place because there are a lot of tourist attraction in New York. And finally, no, not finally, almost finally, is I search for cruises. Cruises can be a very good tourist attraction as they're constantly looking for tourists. So, for example, this is the group Royal Caribbean Cruises. Great place to post. I hope this group is okay. Yes, I can post here. So again, I will go to the short email template. I will do copy. Where we are. Okay. So we are in the Royal Caribbean Cruises group. And copy and paste and post. Let's see if it posts. No, they want to prove it. And again, you should be creative. You need to know yourself which attraction can be suitable to tourists. So another idea that I have is there are some competition that are offering tickets to football or soccer games, for example. So this group I look for Champion Leagues packages. This group offering tickets is offering tickets and flights and hotels in packages to also a ticket to some Champions League soccer football. I call it football or soccer matches. So it also includes many things. It includes flight, it includes transportation, it includes hotel, and it also includes a ticket to some soccer match. So this is a great place to look for. And another group might be suitable, travel agents. And again, all I have to do is copy and paste. Travel agent, it's a group is mostly for travel, for agents or agencies, but you can also try here. You only try. You don't have to be sure it works. So I just copy, Control C, copy, paste. It's Control V and post. Okay. So this is the post, and people will reply to this message. And when they reply, you will send them the email template, the long email template, and after you send them the email template, you need to add them to the Excel sheet. So what's good in this approach is that people will come to you instead of you having to chase them hotel by hotel. So okay, as I said, this is the previous video in YouTube. So below this current video, just go below. You can also subscribe to this video and get updates, and you will find all the links to this session below the video. Another thing you can do, even it's a bit different, there are also other social networks like Google Plus. Let me search for Google Plus, but I will stick with Facebook because it's the largest groups, largest network. But you can also always find groups. There are millions of groups in Facebook. You can search for I don't know, rock concert, football matches, whatever you want, restaurants, hotels, car rental, spa, cruises, even flight or air flight. Sometimes you can reach some flight companies maybe. Okay, this is the page, but I want to see groups. So another nice place to promote. Okay, so as I said before, we also have other social networks like Google Plus. Let me see how to post here. Let's search for hotels. Okay, so this will bring me to some community. I will join, and again, I will take the short email template, and where do I post it? Here, and copy and paste, post, and pick a correct category, hotel, let's say Hotel Europe, and that's all. My post is in Google Plus. Another network, not very popular, but still, it's always growing. It's called Tumblr. So you can try your luck. Maybe it works, maybe not. So I will post text and copy and paste the short. So you can post this template everywhere in every place, not just Facebook, mostly Facebook, also Google Plus, also Tumblr. If you know Pinterest, maybe LinkedIn, Twitter, every blog or blogs, it could be every place every place you would want to post it. Okay, so website. Okay, so website. Let's say it's tourist ads. That's my. Now in description, I will copy and paste. This is Pinterest. This is called Pinterest. So in the description, I copy and paste. And they also want a picture. So let me search for some picture. I don't have anything here, but okay. Let's take this picture and done. Okay. So this is Pinterest. So you have Pinterest, you have Tumblr, you have Google Plus, but most important is Facebook. So just search for groups, and you can find. So I hope you will again. Please join the Facebook group. I will put all the updates here. So this is the first. This is the video. This is correct video. This is a link to the short template, and I have some more news. Also, we have created templates in other languages. For example, Spanish. If I click on Spanish template, you can post it in sites that are talking Spanish, or we have also French and German. So you can read all the updates in the announcement in the Facebook groups. Another thing, that's enough. You can read all the information. I will also send you this announcement as an email to your email address. And again, below this video, you will have all the links. So what we have done so far in this video, I show you how to get the short email template. This is the template. Copy and paste. Where should you paste it? You can paste it in every Facebook group that you can reach some tourist attractions. So I look for hotel, restaurants. In this case, it's in India, but you can search also general. I looked for hotel management. Let's see this one. Leave this page. This is a great group because you need to get in touch with management of hotels. Like, I don't know, not necessarily owners, but people have some management, because then you can reach them and they might reach you. They might want more information. Then you should send them the long email template if they're interested. But in the groups, of course, in the group, you only post the short email template. So as you can see, my post is still pending. I will wait for them to approve. Let's see if this is my post. Yeah, this is a post. This is a short email template. Okay, so I search for restaurants, hotel management, restaurant in Paris, restaurant in Jerusalem, in the world. And I search in Facebook. I go from the menu. I don't want pages, because this time I want groups. And here, all you have to do is pick some group with a lot of members. I normally work with at least 500, also less, and join them. Okay, so here they have some question. Yes, I don't know. Do you have confirmed invitation? No, I don't have. Then they will approve me. And as you can see, somebody already liked my previous post about the post I've just posted. Somebody already, I think it's one of my agents, but still they like. And other things you can look for is nightclubs. And what's European? It's a spa tourism. Spas, it's like a massage. It's very, very popular activity by tourists. And here I looked for tourist attraction. In this case, New York City tourist attraction. This is a group, and there are many groups. Or this particular not, but if I will search for tourist attraction, there are many groups. You can also go down, and you can join all these groups. And each group you post the short email template, and you wait for them to contact you. And if they contact you, you need to do two things. If they contact you, you need to send them the regular email template, or in other language, but doesn't matter, English, Spanish, French, or German, as they wish. And you need to add their business to the Excel sheet. and then if they create a campaign, you will get commission. And this time I searched for cruises. I found a group, Royal Caribbean Cruises, and I post. The post is still pending. They have to approve me. And last thing, I looked for UEFA Champions League final tickets and packages. So great place to find some tourist or a tourist attraction. And another thing, you can search air flight, maybe also it's be okay. So all of these businesses can be good. As I write here, we work with very varied attractions. It could be hotels, restaurants, nightclubs, spa, famous iconic attraction, cruises, and even car rental. So you can start promoting and let me know how you are doing. If you have if somebody is show some interest, then just send him the long email template. If you need the long email template, it's here under this three section. So okay, if you have any questions or ideas or anything, just contact me. You can contact me by email. If you want to talk to me, you can also contact me from the menu. You can contact me in the group. I will be here. I read all your messages. I will read all your messages, and if you have questions, I will answer. So, okay, see, this video took only 35 minutes, but yeah, now you can have another approach to promote us. So I hope you learned some. This will give you some inspiration and some ideas on where you can further promote us. Okay, so let's start working and we'll be in touch. Let me know if you have any questions. So, goodbye from Modital.